Wow. Welcome to my kitchen. Okay, today we're making something so crispy and so satisfying, you might never look at tortilla wraps the same way again. And trust me, this is a real game changer. So delicious.
Let's get cooking.
We start off with the minced meat, which is the samosa filling.
Add oil to the meat so it doesn't burn or stick to your pan. Go in with your white onions and cook until translucent. Now I'll add this green spring onions and garlic paste. Don't forget salt for the taste.
Go ahead and add your preferred spices to the meat. And mix everything together.
Now that our filling is ready, we will proceed by preparing the wraps. And just like that, with flour and water, we now have our glue for the tortilla wraps. And here we have it, crispy, golden brown samosas made from tortilla wraps.
I wish I knew this earlier.